Loaded with flavour, this Cajun-style prawn and chorizo tray bake is made extra delicious thanks to Coles Deli Thawed raw black tiger prawns. Start by placing the rice, onion, chicken stock, canned tomatoes, garlic and Cajun seasoning in a large roasting pan. Give it a good stir to combine. Cover the pan tightly with foil and pop in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or until the rice is tender. Make sure you stir halfway through cooking so that the rice cooks evenly. While the rice mixture is cooking, heat a medium frying pan over medium-high heat. Cook the chorizo turning occasionally for 3 to 4 minutes or until the chorizo is golden brown on both sides. Once the rice is tender, remove the foil and add the peas and chopped coriander. Give it a good stir. Next, arrange the chorizo and prawns over the pea mixture. Return to the oven and bake uncovered for 5 minutes or until the prawns have curled and are cooked through. You'll know the prawns are cooked once they've changed from black to a vibrant orange colour. To serve, sprinkle with coriander sprigs and squeeze over some lemon juice. Easy and oh so tasty, this Cajun-inspired prawn and chorizo tray bake is a must-try. Even better, it's made with responsibly sourced Australian black tiger prawns from the Coles Deli.